welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be opening a birthday present I got. Well, who gave me this birthday present? It's none other than my parents. So they know I like to do like crafts, and I like to paint, and I like to DIY things and stuff like that. They got me this. It has lots of things inside. You can make different possibilities. The possibilities are endless. Here, there are some models on what you could make. And there are so many things you could make. You can make a person holding an umbrella. You can make a birthday cake, which I'm gonna make. I might make, I don't know. And you got a mermaid, some grapes, a hamburger, a sun, snail, and I think this is a dragon. But yeah, so we're gonna open this. I was waiting for so long. Okay, so where do you open this from? Let's open this. I'm gonna make it like this. Ta-da! Look at this. There are so many things. We actually use these in our music class to clean our like recorders. So first, there are different colors of these, like these what are these called? Like, I don't know, you can twist them, you can make them into different shapes. And then we have these ones. They're basically the same thing, but these ones are fluffy. And these ones are also the same, but these are striped, so maybe you can use them as stripes or something. And here are the same ones as same as these, but they're like, they don't have bumps, they're just straight. And we have colorful popsicle sticks. That was the first box. Oh, they're layers. We have these pom-poms. So many. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. I like this one. No, I think I like this one. You can make these into so many different things. Because here we have like patches of like wool fabric. And you can use these to make stuff. And here we have wood things. These could be like people. This could be a tire. This could be... let me take this box out. Yay! Oh, finally, you guys can see me properly. Okay, so here there are like these like blue wooden like circles. Here, I don't really know what this one is. Oh, these are sewing. These two are sewing needles, and I think this is to hold the sewing needles. We have some scissors, and we have some glue. We have these like yarns. We have like. So we're just gonna make a sample, an easier one, which is the sun, which we see every day. And so I got everything we need. So if you want to make the sun and you already have the supplies at home, here's how to make the sun. First, you need orange and like yellow popsicle sticks. If you don't have any, you can paint them. This yellow circle, a tiny yellow pom-pom for the nose, and what are these called again? But they're blue, and you need them for the mouth, and glue, scissors, and I think this one is the googly eyes. I'm gonna check. I'm not sure. So you're gonna see. You're gonna see what's in this one. Actually, why am I even doing this? I have scissors. Oh no, this is not the googly eyes. Okay, this is not the googly eyes. So I'm not... We found the googly eye, finally. Okay, and you need some googly eyes. I think this one is also googly eyes. This one. Oh, this one is the black and white one, and the others are like regular ones. Got it. Okay. So, black and white googly eyes. Okie dokie. I'm ready. Okay, so first we're gonna put this like this. Don't pull it. We broke some of the popsicle sticks in half because when you stick it like this, it's not gonna look that well. So we're gonna do yellow next. Okay. I'll get to you when I'm done gluing. For the popsicle sticks to stick on better, I'm gonna put this fabric. I'm gonna use another circle to represent that circle because like they're the same size. I'll see you when I'm done snipping and cutting. Okay, I'm done snipping. I'm trying to put the other yellow fabric back in case we need it. So this is how it turned out. Pretty good, pretty good. So now I'm gonna use this glue and spread it around the fabric, like drizzle it around. And then once I'm done, I'm gonna close the glue and then spread the glue. I said glue a lot of times, probably can counter for that. Okay. So now we're gonna stick this on top to keep the popsicle sticks stable and not let them move. And while that dries, I'm gonna flip this right this and then work on the face. So the first thing I need to do is cut a piece of this to make the mouth. Right here is about good. There we go. Okay. So I'm gonna put this away with the others. And this is gonna be the mouth of our son. So we're gonna get that. Are you recording? You are? I thought you weren't recording. Voila! The sun is happy now, but the sun doesn't have any eyes. So we have to first glue the nose because one dot right here. That's good. That may be too much, but it's alright. And then put this pom-pom right here. And now, time for the eyes to make it beautiful. Now I'm gonna glue them. Wow, I didn't realize how much more. Put this eye to stick. And now we're just gonna wait for it all to dry and see what it looks. Here's our Mr. Sun looks. He's gonna shine in the sky, wake you up in the morning, say goodbye at night, and he says, You know what else is flaming hot like me? The subscribe button and the like button down below. So hit that subscribe button like I am flaming hot. Yeah. What Mr. Sun said. So hope you guys enjoyed this chat. My words just got lost over there. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and why is my girl mixing up? Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.